Hi, this is Matt from Ports and Pensions. Welcome to the channel if you are new. If returning, glad to see you back again. Whether it's your first cruise or your 15th, prepping before you set sail can make all the difference. I'm sharing the top 5 things I always do before every cruise, and a bonus tip that might just save your whole vacation. First things first, I do a quick passport check. Most cruise lines require your passport to be valid for at least 6 months after you return. I've learned the hard way. This rule isn't flexible. Good news for U.S. travelers, passport renewals can now be completed online. I just renewed my passport through the official U.S. Department of State website, and it was a relatively easy process. Next up, make sure you have enough medications. If you get prescriptions by mail, give yourself a few extra days to reorder and receive them before your cruise. Pack more than you think you'll need just in case of delays, and always bring meds in their original label containers. Don't forget to pack them in your carry-on baggage to reduce the chances they will get lost when checked. Number 3. A little entertainment goes a long way. I always download shows and movies to my iPad before flying to the port. Plane rides can be long, and in-cabin TV usually isn't much to write home about, especially if you're skipping the onboard internet package. I normally pick a mini-series I can binge throughout the cruise. It's a great way to unwind before bed. Number 4. Visit the bank and pick up some small bills. You may not need cash for everyday spending, but I always bring small bills on a cruise. Even if I prepay gratuities, I like to tip for extra great service in cash, whether it's for room service, a helpful porter, or a local tour guide. Number 5. Print those luggage tags early. Printing luggage tags sounds easy until your printer runs out of ink or decides to stage a rebellion. I've had it take over an hour just to get one tag printed. Do it early so you're not scrambling before heading to the airport. Bonus tip, I have a set of luggage tag holders I purchased online. They are a great way to keep my tags secure and dry. And finally, the golden rule. Fly in the day before. Expert cruisers will tell you this over and over. Delays happen, misconnections happen, and cruise ships, they don't wait. Flying in early gives you time to settle, relax, and avoid a frantic race to the pier. There you have it, my 5 essential pre-cruise rituals plus a bonus that might just save your trip. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your fellow cruisers. Wishing you smooth seas and sunny skies.